Brigit and Possible Finance both help people handle money shortfalls, but they solve different problems. Brigit focuses on cash advances and financial tools, while Possible Finance offers a lending product. By the end, you'll know how Brigit and Possible Finance compare on cost, how their services work, and what to check before choosing one. The main difference comes down to the type of money help you need. Brigit is designed around helping users access money before their next paycheck and manage their finances. Possible Finance works more like a loan provider, where eligible users can apply for financing and repay what they borrow. Brigit's cost depends on the features and plan available to the user. The app may include different service levels, so you should review the current pricing shown inside the app before signing up. Possible Finance costs are connected to its loan product. Instead of paying for a financial management service, users need to review the loan terms, repayment details, and any fees shown during the application process. If you are comparing which one is cheaper, do not only look at the upfront cost. Look at the total amount you will pay, how repayment works, and whether the service matches your situation. For someone who wants budgeting help and occasional access to an advance, Brigit may make more sense because it combines money management features with cash access options. For someone who needs a loan product and qualifies for Possible Finance, the loan terms are the key factor to compare. Another difference is how you interact with each service. Brigit is built around ongoing financial management, while Possible Finance is focused around borrowing and repayment. Before choosing either option, check the current terms directly in the app. Compare available features, eligibility requirements, repayment schedules, and any costs before accepting an offer. The cheaper option depends on how you use the service. A financial app with a lower recurring cost may not be cheaper if you need a loan, and a loan with clear terms may not fit if you only need budgeting support. To summarize, Brigit focuses on financial tools and cash advances. Possible Finance focuses on lending, and the lower cost choice depends on the specific service you need. Review both apps carefully and choose the option that fits your budget. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons.